Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to absorb creatine better. First, always choose creatine monohydrate, as it's the most researched and effective type. This foundational step ensures you're using a product with proven benefits. Proper absorption is key to maximizing its impact on your muscle growth and athletic performance. We'll cover simple, actionable steps to help your body utilize creatine more efficiently, leading to better results from your training efforts. Let's get started. Next, let's talk about timing and dosage. For most people, a daily maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams is ideal. You might consider a loading phase, taking 20 grams per day for 5 to 7 days to saturate your muscles faster. While some studies suggest taking creatine around your workouts, either before or after, the most important factor is consistent daily intake. Don't overthink the exact minute. Just make sure you take it every day. To further enhance absorption, combine your creatine with carbohydrates or protein. When you consume these macronutrients, your body releases insulin, which acts like a key, helping to transport creatine into your muscle cells more efficiently. A simple way to do this is to mix your creatine into a post-workout shake that already contains protein and some fast-acting carbs. This combination creates an optimal environment for your muscles to soak up the creatine. Finally, hydration and consistency are paramount. Creatine works by drawing water into your muscle cells, so it's crucial to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses daily to support this process and prevent dehydration. Remember, the most significant factor for creatine's effectiveness is consistent daily intake, not just taking it on workout days. Make it a daily habit for the best long-term results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.